Ford Edge here. Has a messed up quarter panel.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Ford Edge here. This one has a messed up quarter panel. I'm gonna repair that. It's getting 2 new doors and a new fender, new front bumper cover, some suspension work up front. But I'm gonna go ahead and dive into repairing this quarter panel and get this straightened out. I'm going to have to put a tab right on here in order to pull that door jamb area out where it's rolled right here. I'll do that first and get that to where that's lining up with the rear door, and then I'll start working my panel out. So this one still needs to come out a little more right in here. So I'm gonna put one more tab on here, right about there, and I'm gonna bring that out. So I kind of guessed on this line earlier, and it turns out I marked it too low. So I'm gonna bring this line up. Not a big deal, it's easy to do. So I just about have this one all wrapped up. My bumper cover fits nice, the door lines up nice. I'm gonna go ahead and send this one over to our paint department and let them prime that quarter panel and rear bumper up, and then I will block the primer a little later after they get it primed up.